How to use UMAX for free. So hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So basically you will get one free scan in this UMAX application per day, and you will get these analysis of your face, your routine, and also give you recommendations regarding enhancing your looks. So if you want to use it for free and get more of the scans, what you can do is refer this application to a friend, and if that friend uses your referral code to use the application, you will get free scans. So this is the way how you can get UMAX or use UMAX for free. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.